So the first thing we're going to talk about is what is domain knowledge? Domain knowledge is understanding the industry, the business model, and knowing the key levers well enough to be able to ask the right questions unprompted. So now I'm going to give you an example in the lens that I currently work in, which is marketing analytics. So the first layer is marketing industry knowledge. And you can take this and transfer this to anything like healthcare or product analytics or SaaS analytics or anything like that. So for marketing analytics, knowing the channel or the economics of the channels that exist out there or that exist in the specific company that you work in, not just the channels themselves. For example, customer acquisition costs. This is a metric that varies for every single type of company. In some companies, customer acquisition costs can be way higher just because it's harder to actually gain a customer. So for example, if you were to think of something like a B2B service-based business, it's probably going to be a little bit more to acquire customers, whereas something direct to consumer, where it's probably more of a lower ticket item. You might have a lower cost, especially with social media and being able to put things online and getting content to bring in those leads for you. So knowing things, especially in marketing or any other one of these industries that you are trying to work in. So for marketing specifically, knowing the difference between a media mixed model or the difference between last click attribution and a data driven attribution or multi-touch attribution. Which of these metrics does your CMO or the people you'll be talking about actually care about? And which one of these that they don't really care about? These are all the different things that you need to know in order to become that top tier data analyst. This is a completely different ball game than just learning SQL and just learning Python. This is what will make you stand out. And when you're using these types of terms and you actually know what they mean and you actually know how they affect certain businesses, this is a level in the interview that will make you stand out, because I doubt that they're having a lot of people talk about the industry or domain specifically. And a lot of people are talking about machine learning algorithms, AI, Python, and all of these types of things, the technical things, rather than understanding the business. So this will give you an edge in most of your interviews